3Ds like the LulzBot Mini are smaller versions of successful printer siblings. Similar to the LulzBot, the Mini has stellar print quality, filament options and a sturdy frame design. If you need a printer for small projects only, the Mini is a quick and easy printing companion. The LulzBot Mini really excels when it comes to print quality. A 0.05 to 0.5 mm print layer height successfully prints high-resolution, seamless prints. Speed is usually compromised when quality is higher, but the Mini can print up to 275 mm/s, which is incredibly fast for draft prints. My test prints had crisp corners, printed accurately each time, and were extremely tidy, leaving no wisps or bridging fails to clean up. The finished print surface on my challenge print was less than perfect and showed layers and zippers a little too easily. However, the structural integrity of each print was well above that of many of the printers I tested. The print plate is, unfortunately, very small, at 6 by 6 by 6.2 inches. It's one of the smallest on my lineup. The size of the printer itself is wonderful, but a larger print plate would allow it to print more substantial models. One challenge to 3D printing successfully is calibrating your printer. The LulzBot Mini understands and does all the calibrations automatically. This printer tests the print height before each job, so your prints are successful every time. 3D designs with the LulzBot Mini can be created with PLA, ABS, HIPS, PVA, and many more filament choices. Printing materials are all available from LulzBot directly and for a lower cost when compared to other manufacturers. You could also use universal cartridges as long as the filament is 3 mm, but LulzBot does not recommend using anything but proprietary filament. This 19-pound printer's sturdy construction is comprised of an aluminum and steel chassis. The size, weight and materials are the perfect combination for a solid platform for your precise prints. The glass print plate is covered with PE, which heats up to prevent warping, and also allows easy removal of your finished models. The LulzBot Mini doesn't offer an onboard screen for controls, but the software works as a proficient substitute. Similar to many of the best 3D printers, the Mini has its idiosyncrasies. I didn't find it to be the easiest printer to use, but if you have a general understanding of how 3D printers work, you won't run into any difficulty maintaining, fixing and using this printer. 3D printing technology has come a long way in recent years, offering Wi-Fi or untethered printing with an SD card or flash drive. The LulzBot Mini, however, only offers tethered printing, which requires a USB cable connected from your machine to your computer throughout the duration of your 3D print. The included software is a major redeeming factor, as Cura for LulzBot is extremely easy to work with and has plenty of customizable options for advanced users. Printrun works in conjunction with Cura to help you control all aspects of your printer, including temperature, head placement and extrusion. You can also use another software choice as you have a preference for Matter Control or Slick 3R. Maintenance tools and a USB cable are included for keeping your printer in working order and scraping prints off the print bed. A filament cartridge is not included, so you need to purchase one before you can actually print anything. The LulzBot Mini is an affordable 3D printer that boasts a 1-year warranty, which is longer than other comparable printers. On the LulzBot website you'll find email and phone technical support options, a user forum, FAQs, tutorials and an extensive manual to answer all of your questions. In my 3D comparison, the LulzBot Mini stands out as producer of first-rate 3D printed models. With a top speed of 275 mm/s and print resolution of 0.05 mm, your prints will be accurate and well built. Although print size is limited and connectivity options are not as advanced as other printers, the LulzBot Mini is a terrific option for small, high-quality 3D designs.